In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up pre-order on TikTok Shop. Pre-orders let you sell items that aren't ready to ship yet, so you can capture demand early and plan your inventory more confidently. I'll walk you through the exact path in the seller dashboard and share tips to help your listing get approved quickly and set clear expectations for your customers. First, open your TikTok Shop seller account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. From there, look for the Products section. Click Products, then select Manage Products to view your existing catalog and the tools for adding new items. This is where you'll control all the details buyers see in your shop. Next, click Add Product. You'll land on a form where you can build your product listing. Start by entering the name of your product. Keep it clear and descriptive, using words your customers would search for. Then choose the correct category, add the brand if applicable, and write a concise, informative description. Aim to cover what the product is, who it's for, and key features or materials, and keep it honest to reduce returns and improve trust. Now, complete the other necessary details. This typically includes price, stock quantity, variations like size or color, SKU or product code, and high-quality images. Use clean, well-lit photos that show the product from multiple angles. If you have size charts or care instructions, include them in the description so buyers know exactly what to expect. Scroll to the Sales Information section. Here you'll see the option for pre-order. Check the box to enable it. When you turn on pre-order, you'll be asked to enter the required details, such as your lead time or estimated shipping window. Be realistic and conservative with your timeline. If production takes 2 weeks, consider adding a buffer so you can consistently ship on time. Remember, customers will see this information, and it helps set accurate expectations. Also, make sure your handling and shipping templates reflect the longer fulfillment period for pre-orders. Once everything looks good, click Submit for review. TikTok Shop will review your listing to ensure it meets platform guidelines. If you've provided a clear title, the correct category, accurate descriptions, and a reasonable pre-order window, approvals typically go smoothly. After the listing is approved, your product will appear with pre-order enabled and customers will see the estimated ship time before they buy. That's it. Keep an eye on messages in case buyers have questions and update the listing if timelines change. With these steps, you'll have a clean, compliant pre-order setup that builds excitement while keeping your customers informed.